Hey there, how are you all? Welcome to Pravel Rent and Sell Woocommerce Addon plugin. Let's just start the plugin by installing it first. Go to Plugins, Add New, Upload Plugins, and upload the zip file which you got. Now, I have already uploaded and activated my plugin. Here, you can see it here. Now, go to WooCommerce Products, Add New Product. Let's add a new product so we can understand the functionality. The product name is Yes. Let's add some dummy data for description as well as for short description. Add some images and some for the gallery. Now make the regular changes like add the prices and inventory manage stock. Let's just say it's 30. Save it. Let's see the front end of our product. This is a normal WooCommerce setup. Stock 30, description, short description, images, prices, etc. Now let's make this product more interesting using a plugin. That is, if you can note, there is another checkbox named Rentable here. If I click it, I will make this product available for sale as well as rent as per my need. Let's say I am clicking it. Now as you can see, there are more fields here in General tab, as well as there are new two tabs: Rental Options, User Bookings. Let's first start from the General tab settings. Here you can see there is a new option named Select Product Options, and we have two options: Rent and Sell and Only Rent. Rent and Sell will enable admin to sell as well as rent the same product, and Only Rent will enable user admin to only rent that particular product and not to sell it. Let's first start with Rent and Sell. In Rent and Sell, we can see that we have a rent price, that is different price from the regular price. So we can just add a rentable price here, and let's just update it, and let's check our front end. As you can see in front end, now you can see there is another option asking what you want to do. Either you want to buy or you want to rent out. If you are selecting buy, then you can see the normal price set for the product, and if you are selecting rent, you can see the rentable price. Now back here, there is another option known as special prices. Now first let me clear something, that is, if you select only rent, the option here named as used product will not be available. I will get back to it further, but first let's continue with the special prices option. Set special prices option. If you enable this, the admin will be able to set special prices for the special occasions. Let's just see how we can set it. The first option is to set a special price for special dates. Let's say there is an occasion or there is a festival from 10 to 12. So we can set exactly that price from today's date or whichever date you want to select. Let's just select from today's date, that is 12 to 14, and the special price will be 100. So let's just save it, and let us check our front end. Oh, this price only will be available for rented products, not for the buy products. So on rent, we will see, we can still see here 110, but if we go down, we will here see that it is $100. And if I just select from 12 to 14, that is for 3 days, the 100 rupees are 300 rupees I will be charged. Let's see the card, and here, as you can see, it is 300 rupees. 100 rupees for each day for this 3 days. And if we now, let's say, add for different days, then we will be charged as per 110 rupees, 10 euros. Sorry, let's just say from 16 to 18. 3 days again. Let's book it. Let's see the card. Here in card, from 16 to 10, we have charged 330. That is 110 per day. Now let's just empty the card so that we can use it in the future. Now go back to the admin section. Let's see the further settings. Now this is for the special days. Now next option is for special days of every week. That is, if you select Monday, Sunday to Saturday, if you select Monday, then and a price here, then for that particular day, that is on Monday of every week, this particular price, this special price will be applied for the product. Now, the second last option for the special prices for every day for special dates of every month. Let's say for 14th, and every month the 14th of every month will be available. The product will be available for this specific price. Now, then we also have the priority here. If 2 days or 2 dates are mismatching or clashing with each other, then we can here set the priority of how we want the price to be. Let's say we have selected 14th, and on one of the month the 14th is on Monday, and this both prices are clashing on. So what we can do, we can set here the priority, that is, either we want to have the maximum price out of 2, or we want to have minimum price out of 2. If we select maximum, then the price maximum from 2 will be applied to the product, and if we select minimum, then the minimum price will be applied to the product. Here is how the special price setting will be done. Another feature is used product feature. This feature is a unique feature which we have developed keeping in the mind that if a product is given on rent for a certain period of time, after that, if a admin wants to sell that same used product, then he will be available to sell it using this option. That is, if I enable this option, I will be able to sell a specific used product or a second-hand product in a lower price. Let's just say it is of 90 and its sale price is of 80. I can also upload another image for that price, and I can also manage its stock. Let's say 10, and let us just save it. Now, this used product will only be available for buy, as you will see in a short time in front end. Let's see the front end. Here you can see in the buy option, you can see a option checkbox, used product. But if we go in rent out, there is no such product because we are selling the second hand product, not renting it out. So if I just select it, I will be able to see the price of the used product which I set, as well as the image of the used product which I set, and can be able to book the same on the same price, and the stock will be same as we set for the used product. Now, so in short, you can manage 3 stocks and 3 different prices using our plugin, that is price and stock for normal buy product, price and stock for rentable product, and price and stock for used product, that is second hand product. Now the general tab is over. Let's move forward to the rental option tab. In here we will see other more options. Now the first option is disable product. If we add a certain range of date in this section, if we set a certain date of range in this section, then the product for this particular range will not be available to rent for the customers. Let's check it out. Let's add 15 to 17, and let's just save it. And let's refresh the page. Now on rentable product, we will see that if we go to select, this 15 to 17 dates are not available for the customers to rent a product on. Now, moving forward to the another option, that is minimum required booking in days. Minimum required bookings. If a client wants that customers should be able to book this product for minimum 2 days or 3 days or any X number of days, he can set it from here. Let's just say from 2 days, and let's just update it. Let's check the front end, rent out, and in rent out, if I select, you can see there is a text here saying that 2 days minimum booking required. If I select here 18, then I will not be able to select, then I will be able to select 19 because 18 to 19 are the 2 days. So I can select that days. Now let's just select. Let's move on. Now the other thing is add blocks. Add blocks is a special functionality which we are providing. This functionality is used is will give admin a function feature to add the days in a block. That is, if a admin wants to sell a product for minimum 7 days and will provide a special price for that 7 days. Let's say right now our rented price is 110 euros, but if I will add a block of say special offer for 5 days. So the total cost for this block will, as per the normal pricing, will be 550 euros. But what I will do, I will just add a price for 400 euros. So if a customer books it for 5 days as a whole sum, then they will get the discount as well as an admin or customer or a shop owner can be benefited from it. So now let's just refresh it. Let's just go on a rent out page, and now you can see there is a two different option here. How you want to rent this product, customized days, that is the way which we were normally doing, or by fixed blocks days. If we select fixed blocks days, the price will be disabled and we can select a drop down from here. So if we select special offer, they will be available at the same price which we set for the offer. And let's just say I'm making it available, it's 5 days, so for 18, 19, 20, 21 to 22, so I will making from 18. If I book it and if I refresh my cart, I will see that I have booked the product from 18 to 22 and for 400 only, not 550. So that is a benefit for a block. Now the next option is stock management for rent. As I already told you, you can manage 3 different stocks: normal stock, used product stock, and now the rentable stock. Here, buy stock 30, used stock is 10, and rent out stock is 20, as you can see it. And with that, our rental option tab is over. Let's continue with user booking tab. In user booking tab, you will be here admin will able to see that this product is booked is on rent from which to which date and in how many quantities by which user. So admin will be able to see future orders, past orders, as well as all the orders here. So this was from the admin side edit page setting. Now there are two more options which we provide, and these options are pretty much cute. Let's just see. In WooCommerce setting page, in the general tab, we have an option down here as pickup order setting. This option will enable admin and customer to provide a functionality where customers can pick their order directly by shop and thus can avoid the shipping rates. Let's see how it is work. I have already enabled it and saved it. Let's go in the front end. Let's order a product. We already have in a cart. Let's just proceed. We Now, as you can see, we have some details here. subtotal as well as a shipping rate which I have already said, that is flat rate 10 euros. And there are some payment methods. And down here I have an option that is known as pick up your order from store. If I select that option, my cart will be refreshed and I will only have a single payment method known as cash on pickup, and my flat rate will be not applied. And then let's place an order. So on thank you page you will see that I have my order details as well as address of the shop from which I have to pick up the order. I can also print that address if I want to. Otherwise it's already in my mail. Now let's continue. That is the first feature. The second feature is a notified tab. On installing and activating the plugin, this tab will be activated. I've already done some settings. Let's see. Now this notification will be via email to the customers. It will send when a product is back in stock. So we don't lose the customers when our product is out of stock. We can get them back via this mail. So if I activate it, there are settings, that is buy product notification or the rent product notification. You can set here the details and simply save it. Now on the front end, oops, sorry. Now on the front end, as you can see, there is nothing because we are still in the stock. But on rent side, we can see that there is a text to get notification when product is available. Click here. Though it is in stock, it is also showing because there are some dates which are unavailable. So if admin makes that product available for these days, then the mail will be sent to the customer if they have opted for it. Let's just opt for it. Here we just simply have to add the email. Let me add my email. Here, notify me, and I am successfully subscribed. Let's check if I am or not. Go to rent out. Again here click me, and yes, I have already got a notification. And let's just say we will make some changes here. In the edit product page, what we will do to receive an mail, let me first log into my mail. Oops. Now here is my mail. Here is the order which I recently placed. Sorry, not this one. And here, as you can see, I have got the mail with the address of the shop from which I have to pick up my order. Now let's just do one thing. To receive the mail, we will do is we will just remove this thing. So this product is available from these dates. Let's save it. And now we will be receiving a mail shortly. Oh, I'm sorry. Please give us some time. So by doing this, we can receive a mail, and if, as you can see, we can't see that simple thing, that registration form in buy product. We can't say because we still have stock in it. If I just make the stock to 0 and save it, and then refresh it, then I would be able to see the form. Now Let's just place it again so that don't. And let's check my mail if I do have received it. Yes, see, I do have received a mail which said that the product you wanted to rent is back in stock. The product is available from the following days, that is October 15 to 17th October, the date duration which we deleted from the admin panel. So, this was all for the plugin. Thank you. Stay cool. Bye bye.